in the output module, we will click on the arrow here, and you'll see a bunch of presets that are already set up. These ones I created, so what we'll do is I'll show you how to actually create these. Let's go to Make Template. This panel will come up. Okay, so this is where we give it a name. We'll call it 1080p. We'll go into Edit. Format QuickTime is fine. Video output, channels RGB, that is all fine. Format options. We'll change our video codec to H.264 because it's a pretty decent compression compared to Apple ProRes, but you may need Apple ProRes if you are exporting and need something that's lossless. For now, we will use H.264. We will limit our data rate 30,000 kilobits per second. Now, if you're working with a resolution of 4K, then you could go with 35,000, for example. If you're working with standard definition, you may only need this to be 8,000, for example. So we're working with 1920 by 1080, so we will keep it at 30,000. We'll click OK. To be safe, we will always resize it to 1920 by 1080. Custom and resize quality high. We do not want it to crop, so we'll keep that unchecked. And we do not need audio, so we'll turn it off. We'll go to OK, and then OK. Now, if we click the arrow, we will see our new preset created.